Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. My name is Izul Ikhwan bin Mama Yazid.
My name is Muhammad Daniel Zulka bin Zulfikar.
Alright. And today we are going to talk about our families. I want to know more about your family. Can you tell me about your family?
Okay, sure. First, in my family, there are 8 people. My father, my mother, 2 older sister, 3 older brother, and me. How about you?
Alright. I have 8 members. My father, my mother, 2 older brothers, 2 younger brothers, 3 younger sisters, and me. Alright, Haikal, who is your favorite family members?
My favorite family member is my father. He is very hardworking and caring person who always motivates me to do my best. How about you, Izul?
Okay, the family member I want to talk about is my mother. I chose her because she is very kind and caring. She always supports me in everything I do, and she also teaches me important thing about life. Okay, and that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you.